How to clear exit on ORBOT application. Are you guys facing issues to change your exit on ORBOT app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the exit on ORBOT app, first of all, open the ORBOT app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can see the start button over here. Just simply tap and start. After you click on start, it will take some time. Once it gets connected, your onion icon will appear to a green screen. So it's taking some time. Once it gets connected, you'll be able to see the options called change exit. So let's wait for it to pop up. So as you guys can see, the settings over here: choose app, change exit, refresh, and turn off options. Just in the second, select the second option, change exit. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple countries over here. Just simply select the one equating to your preference. If you want to change it to Germany, just simply tap on Germany, and it has been changed to Germany. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change exit on ORBOT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.